Welcome teachers. This short video I have made for explaining the process of academic report query. So on the screen you can easily see that I am having both the apps, Radical Seeds Teachers and Sophia Convent School. So I hope you all have installed both the apps, especially if you have kids. But this feature is only available here in Radical Seeds Teachers. So I will click upon this app. Okay, now you have to simply go to timetable. I'll click on timetable. Suppose here I want to go in 8th A and these 3 dots. So I'll click on these 3 dots and this pop-up menu just comes in front of you, and you will see here as on the top attendance is there, on at the bottom after class performance academic report is there. So you have to select this academic report. Yes, so I'll click upon this academic report and you will see all the names. So why I want this, because earlier when I want to see the particular homework of each and every student, suppose by clicking on previous, suppose 3 homework I have given here. 3 assignments are there. One is homework, one is test, and one is assignment, that is time based. So like for other class, now suppose here plenty of homework is been given, or plenty of assignments are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So earlier I was maintaining separate on Excel sheet just to collect the details of each and every student, that how many that particular student is been submitting the homework or assignment to me. But now it's very easy. So I'll click on like 4th A academic report, and now suppose Akriti Garg I want to see. I'll click upon this. So you could see here homework submitted 1, assignment submitted 3, test submitted 2. So in your case, when you will take online class or online test, that also will be shown here. So that will make our work very easier. Suppose like this case, this student Arav Kumar, so homework submitted 0, assignment submitted 0, only in when I have given time based assignment, that is test. So from 2 only he has given 1. So it becomes easier for me to give the marks here, like Aryan Verma, like this. So I hope this is very much clear to you. Then this feature is also there at the bottom, this one. So by clicking on this, choose a sorting option by roll number or by name. According to the name also you can set, and by name also. So these are 2 options given to us. Dear teachers, further in this academic report, one filter is been given. So how you have to use this filter? Suppose March 30th to June 5th, till this time I have given 6 assignments. So what you have to do here, like here June 5 it is written here, you have to just click upon this, and suppose I want to see till May 15th, I click on OK. Nothing will happen. Then you have to click on this tick. I'll click on tick. You can see now till that time I have given 2 3 4 assignments, so I'll get the record. The same way, if I want to see till May 1st, then click tick. So only 2 assignments were asked that time and 2 were submitted. You have the option to see date wise also, that till particular time how many assignments is been submitted by the particular student. Okay, thank you.